On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to finally try to fix the ABS problems on the X5. Before we start doing anything, we have a product to test. This is from our friends from King Bolen. We received a scanner from them. In this case, we have a tester that is going to test the brake fluid. See that? We can check if the old brake fluid has to be replaced or not. Let's open this and let's see what we have in here. Okay. This is the product. It's simple, easy to use. I'm pretty sure it's easy to use. Oh, check this out. We have a flashlight in here, in the top. Perfect. Where the sensor is. Let's see if we can start this. Oh, I'm pretty sure it has no batteries. Yep, no batteries inside. I have two new batteries in here. Let's see, that's one. Oops, I've heard something. The air is not good. Haha. Give me a few seconds to put the cover back. We have full battery in there. .3. This is the first step, as far as I can see. .4. .5.1. So let's go with .4. Okay. Oh, screen on off. Okay, power on off. Light on. Light off. It's that simple. I'm pretty sure this was replaced because when I bought the car, the brake fluid was like new. So we have the sensor inside. It's in okay range. See that? 0.5%. In my case is like 1.5%. And this one is going to measure the water content from the brake fluid. And when it's 4% or 3%, you have to replace that. Mine is still in range, so in my case everything is okay. And I have in here some old brake fluid. Let's see what is going to show us. Oh, see that? Replace it. Perfect. So this one works. Nice. So if you want to support your boy and this channel, check out the link in the description box below for this product. For the price, it's doing what it should do. It's very useful to have one in your garage. It doesn't matter if you have a workshop or you are a hobby mechanic like myself. It's a good product to have. You can check if it's time to replace your brake fluid or not. So like I've said, check the link in the description box below. And now it's time to try to fix the ABS problem. I have an error for line pressure, so we don't have enough pressure on the lines, on the brake lines from the ABS block. So that's why I've bought this one. So we have a new ABS pump with a new pressure sensor. It's not new, it's used, but I bought this with warranty, so it should be fine. The electronic part I didn't bought because if you replace that you need to code it for the car. Mine, I know it's working, so we just are going to swap the electronic part with this one. We are going to try to figure out a way to reach in there somewhere. So I'm pretty sure I have to remove the tank for the water, and maybe we have to remove the oil filter housing a little bit, but we have flex pipes in here so we can move this, and after that it should be pretty easy. I'm going to start by removing some water from here. Remove this hose, just unclip it here and here, and after that we have to take this one out. I'm going to lift it up, this one as well up, and let's hope it's going to work. And after I remove the bracket, the plastic one, this one is holding in fact everything. I think we are good to go. I can compare the part number now because I can read the ABS block now. So we have 146 at the end. I'm pretty sure it's not the same. Yep, I was right. 005. So let's try, let's put everything and we can test, and we know after that if it's working or not. I've noticed something. See this one, somebody already tried to undo this one, so I'm afraid that this won't come out, but the other ones should come out. Let's try. No room, no room. Let's turn the key. Hey, focus. Yes, come on. Stuck. Okay. Okay, that's stuck. Let's see the other one. Oh, holy crap. Check this out. This one is loose. This one moved. Oh, this one comes out. This one was loose. Okay. Maybe this was the only problem. Oh, we need 12. By the way, this one was 11. Let's take the 12 now and see the big ones. But I'm pretty sure this one will come out because are bigger. Oh, holy crap, everything is loose in here. Maybe this was the problem, but I'm not going to believe that. This one is tight. Oh, this one. Oh, yes. Nice. So I'm going to fight these two ones, this round one and the other one, and let's hope we can take it out. I'm going to show you how to take the plug out. Maybe you can see this one slides out, and take the plug, the connector out. Everything seems to be dry in there and good. And after that, just one 10mm screw in here and some plastic holders in there, and we are going to take it out. So give me a few minutes or hours, not really sure, but we are going to do this. Finally out. Took me a little bit. This one, this line was a little bit of struggle, but I've managed. The other one as well. The lines are in good shape. I'm going to clean, of course, now in here. This is the pump. I'm going to separate the electronic from the mechanical part. I'm going to take the bracket and separated the electronic part from the mechanical part. I removed the bracket from the part that I bought, is this one. I swapped the bracket that I have on the new part, fits perfectly. I've checked all the pins in here, all the channel, everything is the same as this one that I bought. I've put everything back together. I was prepared to install it on the car, and after that I said, okay, I have all the lines in here, let's check everything. Everything works perfect everywhere except for this one. Front right works here in the new block, but in my original one, not at all. Not at all. Everything is clean and put back together, sadly, because the part that I received doesn't fit my car, so my failure, of course. But everything is clean. I've took a picture of the part number. I will search for the right one, but I've checked the pressure sensor and was the same part number. I replaced the pressure sensor, and let's hope maybe just this one was bad. Not really sure. Let's hope. Now I'm going to put everything back together. I'm going to take all the air out from the lines and from the pump. I'm going to put a pop-up banner in here to see the procedure, how to do that, and I'm gonna give you an update after I've done that to see maybe it's working now with the new pressure sensor. With all of that being said and done, we are at the end of the video. This episode was a big fail. We didn't fix anything because it was my failure, of course. I didn't check exactly everything and the part doesn't fit. Now I have no brakes basically, because I put everything back together, as you can see in here, but I couldn't bleed the brakes just in the front, and because in the back I received no brake fluid. I'm not really sure for now why. Maybe the ABS block is completely full of debris or stuck, or I'm not really sure why, but I don't receive any kind of brake fluid in the back, so I cannot really drive the car for now. I hope are not the line that are the problem, but I've already ordered the right part completely with electronic, with everything. It's on the way, it should be here. So in the next episode we are going to find out if the ABS block was a problem or the lines, because now I'm thinking why I cannot bleed the brakes, but I hope the ABS block is the problem and not the lines. Yeah, all of that will be in the next episode. So if you want to see more progress on this car, join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.